Welcome to our lecture online. Here we're going to talk about some special cases when we're dealing with lines in a Cartesian coordinate system. The vertical line and the horizontal line. Now here we have three examples of some vertical lines. Here this line has the equation x equals 2. Notice that the line crosses the x-axis where x equals 2. Here we have the line x equals 4. Notice it crosses the x-axis where x equals 4. And here we have the line x equals -3. And you can see it crosses the x-axis at x equals -3. Here we have three examples of horizontal lines. We have the line y equals 1. Notice it crosses the y-axis when y equals 1. Here we have the line y equals -4. Notice it crosses the y-axis at -4. And here we have the line y equals 2. Notice it crosses the y-axis at y equals 2. These are all horizontal lines. These are all vertical lines. Now, if the equation of a line can be defined by ax plus by equals c, notice that a, b, and c must be constants, then how do we get those equations from here? And that was also something that kind of confused me when I was a student and I first encountered these. I go, that seems so weird. How do we get x equals 2 for something like this? Well, remember that a, b, and c have to be constants. And notice in this particular case that x equals 2 for every possible value for y. In other words, the value for y does not matter. X is always equal to 2. So essentially what we're going to do here is we're going to set b equal to 0. If we do that, we have ax plus 0 equals c, or simply x equals c over a. And since both c and a are constant, then c divided by a is a constant as well, and we have x equal a constant. And so you can see that the vertical equations are simply defined by letting b equal to 0, and then we have x equals a constant. For the horizontal equations, we can do the same thing, but we're going to let a equal 0, so end up with 0 plus by equals c, and y equals c over b. And again, we have y equals a constant as being the equation of a horizontal line. We cannot let b be not 0, or in this case a be not 0, or in this case b not be 0, because they have to be constants, and you can see that you can let y be any value, x will always be 2. You can let y be any value, x will always be 4. And here we can let x be any value, and y will equal 1. So we simply eliminate that variable from the equation by setting the constant here b equal to 0, by setting the constant a equal to 0, and then we realize we end up with an equation where simply x equals a constant or y equals a constant. And that's how the vertical and horizontal lines are defined when we're dealing with linear equations in the Cartesian coordinate system. And that is how it's done.
Temperature in Texas are now 68.
Woo! Nice. It is all over the map, isn't it? Yep. In Texas.